Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about scape sequence. Alright. Scape sequences are basically combinations of characters which consist of a backslash followed by a letter or combination of digits, and these combinations of characters are called scape sequences. Okay. There are some characters in C programming language which cannot be typed directly. So we use escape sequences for typing them. All right. For example, if we wanted to type a new line, or we can say enter, so there is no other way to write or print a new line. Therefore, escape sequences are came in handy in these cases. Okay, in your keyboard, there is no such key by which we can understand that it will uh, print a new line. Okay, so in those scenarios we have escape sequence, and for a new line, for printing a new line, the escape sequence that we use is a backslash n. We'll see, there are several escape sequences, and all of those escape sequences have different meanings or different use purposes. So here I have fetched a table uh, from on Google, and here you can see we have different escape sequences written with their corresponding meanings. So for backslash n, we can have a new line. For backslash t, we can have a horizontal tab. Uh, so there are several other use cases. You can also see for backslash a single quote, we can use to print a single quotation. Similarly for double quotation as well. So these are some of the use cases of escape sequences. Let me give you some practical examples of few escape sequences. Okay, so in this case, if I try to print, let's say if I'm writing any character here, A, B, C, and then if I run it, you will see A, B, C is getting printed. So yeah, A, B, C is getting printed. But let's say if I want to print a single quote, so if I write a single quote here, alright, so if I try to print single quote here, if I run it, so yeah, you can see here a single quote is getting printed. But now what will happen if I try to print a double quote? So I have written double quote here. If I try to run it, so you can see it has given me quite a lot of errors. It is because now these errors are because your C program is unable to distinguish between these three quotations. So which one it should consider, right? So therefore this confusion will let C compiler to give us errors. Now here, if I want to print double quotation, it will be impossible task for me to just simply write a double quote and expect that the printer function will print it. No, it's not going to happen like that. Here comes the role of escape sequence. So if I write a backslash before uh, trying to print a double quotation, now if I, let's say, try to run it, now it works perfectly fine. So you can see our double quote is getting printed. So this is an example of a escape sequence where escape sequences can come in handy. All right, so this is that's it for the escape sequences. I hope you will able to understand it. We'll see a lot of escape sequences in our future videos. Thank you.